Hello world, this is FT. Today's recommendation, The Killer is also romantic. Usually I'm not into too much romance because being a heartless man, I don't get touched easily by some tragic love story and cry my eyes out. I enjoy romance comedy much more and this series is one of them. I first heard about this series as a Mr. and Mrs. Smith kind of story, but set in historical China. In case you don't know, Mr. and Mrs. Smith tells the story of two killers married to each other. Life was peaceful and loving until they were assigned to kill each other. The Killer is also romantic, tells a similar story, but uses many more comedic elements. Xiao Nian, owner of a silk workshop and secretly a killer, Wu Ming, owner of a clinic and secretly the commander of the secret police. I've seen too many dramas with seemingly strong characters deteriorating into damsels in distress as episodes go by. Rest assured, this drama is not one of them. Both main leads remain competent throughout the drama. The story begins with the couple preparing to get married and sets the stage for a lot of fun. How they hide their little secrets and are always on the brink of getting discovered will give you a ton of good laugh. After getting married, things are only going to get harder. When daily matters come knocking at the door, it gets more difficult to hide one's true self. Halfway through the drama, the second couple begins to develop, featuring Xiao Nian's blind little sister and Wu Ming's assistant. While it's not necessary to the main plot, the relationship doesn't feel redundant and is fun and sweet in its own ways. Not only the whole drama is short and to the point, the pacing is also quick. You won't find characters getting stuck with an emotional debuff for tens of episodes. Yes, I'm talking about misunderstanding. Misunderstanding tropes are some of my least favorites when it comes to romance drama, especially when dragged on for a long time. Fortunately, this drama is not guilty for that. Eventually, Xiao Nian and Wu Ming will learn the true identity of each other and get into a big fight, turning the workshop into a big, messy battlefield. And I must say, the action is quite well executed. After the big fight, they make up quickly, communicate clearly and thoroughly, both mind and the body, and thanks the heavens, the writer did not throw in a "I can't tell you that yet" build up for the next big fight type of twist. The couple told each other literally everything. The level of communication shown between the couple is soothing. It is a bit of a disappointment when the drama doesn't quite utilize the battle couple trope. In the final fight with the bad guys, Xiao Nian and Wu Ming would fight on the same side for the same cause, but in two physically separated locations. We don't get to see them fight together as a couple. The battle couple trope is great for a reason. It puts the chemistry between the couple on high-profile display. Without a scene like this, the chemistry goes wasted. We know they've got good chemistry. Look how they try to deceive each other, look how they fight and bicker, and look how they make up after a big fight. I'm sure they will do well if they are given the chance to fight some baddies together. In summary, the pros: no damsel in distress cliche, no long stretches of misunderstanding, short with fast pacing, fight scenes are well executed, second couple doesn't feel redundant, and is fun in its own ways. Features witty and memorable dialogues. The cons, well, not that many. Wasted chemistry. The couple fights separately in the final conflict. There you have it, my take on The Killer is also romantic. A good romance comedy worth watching. Please share the wonder of CDrama with your friends by dropping a like and sharing the video. This is FT, I'll see you in the next review. Cheers!